Hello everyone, this is Jen and welcome to my channel. So I'm here for a Lev HAOLAM unboxing. Yes, it's been so long since I've done one. And the biggest reason is we don't go through the items fast enough. We get so much product and you can only go through so much product along with your everyday products. So I still have seasonings left over. I want to show you one of my favorites that I'm actually out of, but I want to show you this. This serum is so good. Like, I really like this. So I used that up, and that took me at least a year because, you know, when I just need it when my face was dry. So currently I'm using actually this one, and it says natural night face cream, but I also put it on in a day when I'm going to work or whatever. And then I am also going through this right now. And then my daughter, she uses the face wash and she loves the face wash. She recently got another one for me. But if you're still here and you're a subscriber, like a longtime subscriber and watch me because of Lev HAOLAM, hello. And also please say hello in the comments. I'm not going to get Lev HAOLAM maybe for a couple of months because, like I said, I have to work through the products that I have. So I'm thinking maybe during the fall time, I'm going to go back. So right now, because it's summer and with everything going on, and I'm just curious to see if everything is just as good. And if it is, like, I'm still going through the tea. I just ran out of one of my favorite teas. I will leave a picture, and I wish I can get some more of that tea. I need to go online and see because it is amazing. But let's go ahead and see. But yeah, I still have teas and I still have so much. Even coffee. Like, I can't get through it fast enough. So let's see what's in the box. So, oh no, really. Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob. Look at that. Oh, wow. So that's going to be the theme. So already I see this. Let's open this up. Oh my goodness. This is why I like this box. Oh, goodness. Wow, look at that. Wow, Biblical Patriarchs. Journey of the Biblical Patriarchs. And this is the person who has illustrated this. Wow, look at that. Oh, is this gonna make me go back sooner? Look at that, it's a map. Wow. Sea of Galilee, Hebron. Wow. Oh. They always amaze me with their products. I'm telling you. Oh, and on the back, it talks about each area and who in the Bible was in that area. Oh, that is so perfect for Bible study. Oh, what is this? Oh my goodness. So in Hebrew, they read, is it right to left, right? So let's see what this book is about. Oh, goodness. This makes it so hard for me. But it will be nice to get some product during the cooler season. Genesis. Oh, wow. Oh, goodness. That is so cool. So it's translated from Hebrew to English. Wow. That is so nice. Now I'm wondering if they have Exodus. Oh, goodness. Such an educational tool. Wow. That is so cool. Oh, all right. So let's see what else. That's just a piece of paper. Oh, see, what is this? See, more coffee, which I can always use coffee. Yep. There's some information. Oh, what is this? I've never seen anything like this. Energy bars with hazelnuts and whole sesame seeds. It's vegan. Okay, I'm not going to open that, but they're energy bars and it's organic. Oh, man. They're making it really hard. Let's see what this is. Oh, rice with lentil. Rice with lentils. Yum. Oh, wow. No MSG. Natural ingredients only. So all it is rice, baked onion, green lentils, vegetable oil, spices, and salt. Look at that. Oh, that looks really good. Oh, let's see what this, oh, look at that. Hand cream and facial day cream. See, more creams. And they're always, look how beautiful that box is. It's always so gorgeous. Oh my, that's beautiful. I love that color. Wow. And then hand cream. Perfect. This is definitely worth the money. And last but not least, oh, I am not a fan of halva. Not this one. When we were in Israel, the fresh halva was amazing. This stuff, I'll try it, but usually I don't like the box one. I've tossed those because they are not good, but I'm gonna see if it's good. I don't know. We'll see. So updates, package info, and news. So I will be looking at that. Love seeing the artists. So that is it. Wow. Just beautiful. And let's see, usually they have like a recipe. Ooh, Israeli coffee cake. Oh, I'm gonna have to try that. Oh, that sounds yummy. Roasted cauliflower, that sounds good too. Tahini paste. I didn't, oh. It's not supposed to come with tahini, is it? Unless that was from another box. Nope. So anyway, so that's it. Thank you so much for joining me. Like I said, it probably be around fall time again. I am going to go back. Kind of enjoying the summer, so it would be nice probably to get the box again, especially when it's cold outside. Have like some box of happy from Lev HAOLAM. So thank you so much for watching. Like I said, if you are a regular subscriber and you found me from Lev HAOLAM and you're still here, just say a quick hello. And I hope y'all have a blessed and wonderful week. Rest of the week, weekend. Y'all take care. Bye.